We are at our last stop for our 2.5 days here in Paris. We're at Nakatomi Tower. I'm calling it Nakatomi Tower because they're missing a lot of windows, like they got blown out. But at the top of Montparnasse Tower, there's an observation deck, so you're supposed to get 360-degree views of Paris. I just found out about this yesterday, so I booked it. So it's the last thing we're going to do before we fly out to Hamburg tomorrow. So let's go check out Nakatomi Tower of Paris. If you come here for the tour, you can't come through the front doors. You got to go around the left, down the side, and around the back. Pretty cool to have these maps that have the outline of where you're at. So like right here, you can see Notre Dame right there. You got the Louvre right there. Can't wait to get around to the Eiffel Tower. It's about 50 steps to get outside. They just lit the Eiffel Tower. Let it all. is this? I was so worried that what we were at downstairs was it. Definitely worth the money to come up here. When you come here, especially at night, be on the lookout for these. They have areas that have slots in here so you can get unrestricted views like this.